Ever wondered if that free Twilio trial number could unlock a brand new Gmail account? Let's find out. Alright, let's head over to the Gmail Signup page. You know the drill. First name, last name, desired username, and a strong password. Now, here's where the Twilio trial number comes in. Grab your Twilio trial number from the Twilio console. Remember, it's a trial number, which means some restrictions apply, and not all services play nice with them. Think of it like a VIP pass to a discount store. Paste that number into the phone number field on the Gmail Signup page. Now, cross your fingers and hit next. Gmail will attempt to verify the number by sending a text message. More often than not, Gmail will reject Twilio trial numbers. Gmail often blocks virtual or temporary numbers to prevent abuse. This is to prevent spam accounts. So, can you create a Gmail account with a Twilio trial number? The answer is usually no. It's worth a shot, but be prepared for disappointment. It's an uphill battle. Using a real phone number is much more reliable.